Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is Friday. We only got 2 days of online learning this week, but then we will continue next week as well. So today is Friday's video. I hope yesterday went okay for everyone, getting back into the routine of online learning. Remember, if you need anything at all, please reach out to me and I'll just absolutely see what I can do to help you guys out. But in the meantime, here is Friday's video. So let's start with our date. Like we did yesterday, we're just gonna do our date on the calendar. We're not gonna go through the individual month and day of the week like we did before because the kids have gotten super good at this. Okay, so let's go over our date together then. So it is April. Can you say April? April, awesome. Today is Friday. Say Friday. Good. Let's figure out what number today is. You can help me with that. Yesterday was the 15th. So what do you think today is? Let's start counting at 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Super good. So let's go ahead and put our little number 16 umbrella right there on Friday because that's what today is. So today is Friday, April 16th, 2021. Very good. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to get started. All right, we have 2 math worksheets to do today. They are both addition, but they look a little different than anything we've done together before, so we will go through it. I'm going to leave the last 3 questions of each sheet for you to figure out on your own. These worksheets can be found in the comments section on Edmodo where I posted this video, so if you would like to print them and follow along, you can. If you would like to just follow along without the worksheet, that is also okay. Again, you can pause this video anytime you need to, so you can catch up and then press play again, or you can pause and stop and come back to it later, whatever works for you guys. All right, let's go ahead and start our math. Okay, so what we're going to do with this sheet is we're going to do the math equation, okay? And then we need to also put the dots on the ladybugs. So what we're going to do is do the equation, okay? I'm going to help you with the math part. You're going to go ahead and draw the dots on the ladybugs, okay? I can't draw on my computer like you can draw on paper, but that's okay. What I'll do is I will follow along with you, but I will be using my whiteboard instead, okay? You can go ahead and draw the dots right on the ladybugs, and I will be drawing them on my whiteboard, okay? Let me just try to draw a little ladybug so it looks like yours. Okay, so I hope you have your pencil out. I hope you have your papers out if you are doing it with me. If you are just following along and watching, I hope you have your listening ears on, and I hope you have all your thoughts in your head ready to go. All right, that's gonna be my ladybug, okay? So it looks kind of like yours. All right, so let's do the first one together. Let me get a little pom-pom for when we're all finished. There we go. Okay, so the first one says 1 plus 2. So what we're gonna do is on one side of the ladybug, we're gonna put 1 dot. Okay? And then on the other side of the ladybug, how many dots are we gonna put? 2. Yes, we're gonna put 2 dots over here. Very good. So now to find out the answer of what 1 plus 2 is, we're going to count these all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. The answer is 3. So let's go ahead and put a 3 in there. I'm going to drag my 3 over and place it in the box, but you can write it in with your pencil, okay? Watch to make sure those numbers are facing the right way, okay? All right, you have your dots on your ladybug. I'm going to erase mine so we can do the next question. Okay, I see 2 plus 2. So how many dots should we draw on this side? That's right, we're going to draw 2 dots on this side. 1, 2. And how many dots should we draw on this side? It's 2 plus 2. So we have 2, and we need 2 again. Very good, you guys are so smart. Another 2. So now to find out what 2 plus 2 is, we're going to count all these dots and add them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 2 plus 2 is 4. So let's go ahead and put 4 in our box. There's my 4, and I'm going to place it right in the box. And you can go ahead and write your 4, okay? Let me get my ladybug ready for the next question. Okay, the next question says 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2. So how many dots do you think we need on this side? That's right. We are going to put 3 dots on this side. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. I hope you're drawing your dots on your ladybugs as well. Okay, following along. And how many dots do we need on this side? The question is 3 plus 2. We have 3. So on this side, we need 2. Yes, you got it. So let's draw 2. 1, 2. Okay. So we have 3 and we have 2. So now we need to count them all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 3 plus 2 is 5. Perfect. So let's go ahead and put our 5 in there. 5s are tricky, so take your time. There we go. 3 plus 2 is 5. Don't forget to put those dots on the ladybugs. That will help you figure out the answers. Okay, are we ready? All right, the next one says 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. So how many dots do we need on the first side? We need 3, yes. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then on the other side, how many do we need? We have 3 plus 4. We've got the 3. What do we need next? The 4. You got it. Let's draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So now we need to count all these dots to figure out what 3 plus 4 equals. Are you ready? Okay, you count the ones on your page and I'll count mine. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Very good. So let's go ahead and put 7 in our box. 7. Perfect. Nice 7. Good job. Okay, are we ready for the next one? You guys are doing so amazing. And remember, if you need to pause the video so you can catch up, that is okay. All right, let's do the next one. I see 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So we're gonna add those numbers together. So what do we need on the first side? Did you say 4? You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So good. And then we need to add 5. You got it. So we need to put 5 dots on the other side of our ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right, these numbers are bigger. Do you think we can add them together and find the answer? All right, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you guys are so awesome. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So let's go ahead and write our 9 in the box, okay? Remember, 9 and 6 look similar, but 9 has the circle at the top of the number, okay? Perfect. Great work. 4 plus 5 is 9. All right, we are going to do one more together, okay? And then the last 3 you're going to do on your own, and you can send me a picture if you want to show me how hard you've been working, okay? So the last one we're going to do together on this page says 3 plus 3. So what are we going to do? How many need to go on the first side? You got it, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Good job drawing your dots on your ladybug. And then what do we need on the other side? If it's 3 plus 3, we need 3 and 3. Yes, you got it. There's no tricking you. 3 plus 3. Should we count them and see what it equals? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So you can go ahead and write a 6. And remember, the 6 has the circle on the bottom. It is sitting on the circle, okay? That's what a 6 looks like right there. So you go ahead and write that. And now you can pause the video so you can finish your worksheet, but I want you to do the next 3 all on your own, okay? Draw the dots and then count them all to see what the answer is of those 2 numbers added together, okay? I know you can do it just like you and I just did all the other ones, okay? Show everyone in your house how awesome you are and how good you are at this, okay? I'm gonna move on to the next page, but you can pause the video to finish and then continue with me, okay? You got this. Our next page looks like this. These are 10 frames. We haven't seen 10 frames in a while, okay? So this is going to be a little bit different. We haven't seen math like this before, okay? So I'm going to do 6 of them with you, and then once we get the hang of it, I will let you do the last 3 all on your own, okay? You can always ask for help in your household too if you're unsure still, okay? As long as you try your best, that is what makes me happy, okay? So let's start up here and we'll talk about how we do this. So the first question says 3 plus blank equals 10. So we already know what the answer is, but we're missing a number. We need to figure out what number goes in there to make the number 10. So that's where we're going to use our 10 frame, okay? Because all these 10 frames have 10 spots, and all of our questions equal 10. So we have to search for the missing number, okay? And let's take a look at the black dots. There are 3 black dots up here, and there's a 3 here. So to figure out what number we're missing, we are going to count the white squares, okay? Because 3 is already taken, and we need to figure out what's left. So let's count the white squares to figure out what number goes here. Can you help me do that? All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 white squares. So let's go ahead and move a 7 into this spot. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the next one. Did you write your 7 down? Perfect. All right, so this one says 2 plus blank equals 10. So we are going to count the white squares to see what number needs to go here. Okay, are you ready? Help me out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Awesome work. So there are 8 white squares and 2 black circles. So 8 plus 2 must equal 10. Let's go ahead and put 8 in that box. Or on that line right there. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Perfect. Great job. All right. Did you write your 8? Excellent. You guys are working so hard. Okay, let's do the next one. I see 4 plus blank equals 10. So what are we going to do to figure out what number goes there? Who remembers? We're going to use our 10 frame. You're right. So we're going to count those white squares in the 10 frame to figure out what is missing. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. 4 plus 6 equals 10. So let's go ahead and put a 6 on that line. Can you write a 6 for me? 6 looks just like this, okay? You go ahead and write that 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Perfect job. All right, this one down here says 6 plus blank equals 10. So we're starting with 6 and we need to see what is left so we can make 10. What are we gonna do? Count the white squares. You got it. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. I heard you. You are working so hard. Let's go ahead and put a 4 on that line. 6 plus 4 equals 10. There are so many different ways to make 10. Do you see this? Wow, all of these questions equal 10 and there are so many ways to make 10. All right, Did you write 4? Amazing. Let's go ahead to the next one, okay? I'm gonna do 2 more with you, and then I want you to do the bottom 3 all on your own, okay? So let's see. I see 5 plus blank equals 10. So we need to figure out what's gonna go in the blank, and how will we do that? Yes, we're gonna count the white squares, you got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. You go ahead and put a 5 on that line. 5 plus 5 is 10. Perfect. Great job writing that 5 in there. You are so focused and you are learning and you are working hard. I am so proud of you. All right, let's do 1 more together and then you can do the other 3 on your own because I know you can do it, okay? And remember, as long as you try your best, that's what makes me happy, okay? All right, so I see 1 plus blank equals 10. We're missing a lot here. There's only 1 dot, so we have a lot of counting to do. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Excellent counting. Let's go ahead and put a 9 in that box right there or on that line. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Amazing. All right, do you think you can do the last 3 on your own? Count all those white squares and see what number is missing in order to make 10? Excellent, I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna continue on with the video, but you can pause, finish the math, and then press play and join me again, okay? Now we are going to do language. We are gonna do 2 new sight words, okay? Yesterday we did some sight words. I believe we did I and see, and today we are going to do my and ah, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. If you have these printed at home, you're gonna need scissors and a glue stick and a pencil to do them with me. And if you aren't doing them at home, you can just listen and follow along, okay? So the first thing you're going to do if you have this worksheet in front of you is write your name on it. I want you to write your name right on that line, nice and neat, just like I know you can, okay? Take your time, make sure all your letters are facing the right way. You've got this. When you are done writing your name, the first thing you need to do is trace the word right here. Our first word that we're learning today is ah. Ah, you say it, ah. This is an easy one, it's only 1 letter. It's the letter A, and we are gonna say ah. So simple, right? Yeah, you got it. Trace those A's, ah. Very good. You can say, I need a snack. Did you hear ah? Yeah, very good. I see a friend. Did you hear ah? Perfect. You're doing amazing. So after you trace those 2 A's, those 2 ahs, I want you to write it in this box, okay? Write ah. Show me how to spell ah. You're right, it's just an A. You got this. Great work. After you write the A in the little box, now you're going to color the A's. Ah, ah, ah. You go ahead and color those in or trace them, okay? And when you're done doing that, you're going to cut and paste the ah into the box to spell ah. You're gonna cut that A out, cut it out super nicely right on those lines, and you're going to glue it right in that box. We're building the word ah. This is a small one, so it's quite easy. I knew you could do it. All right, you finish up, and I'm gonna move on to our next word, okay? First, we're going to write our name at the top, super neat and tidy, just like I know you can. And then we're going to trace our word. Does anyone know what this word might be? Should we figure it out? Let's sound it out. I, my, my. Did you say it? My. This word says my. You are my friend. Did you hear the word my? Yeah, awesome. You are in my class. Yeah, perfect. So now that we know the word, I want you to trace the word my. Can you trace those letters for me? Trace them super nicely. Stay on those lines and go nice and slow. Great job. When you're done tracing, you can spell the word in these boxes, okay? You can see that the boxes are a certain size so that way the letter fits inside, okay? So you're gonna put an M and a Y for my. M, Y, my. Very good. Then down here, I want you to color. Maybe make them super pretty, rainbow or something. I know you guys love to color rainbow, or you can just use your pencil to trace if you want. That's fine too. My. My glasses. My smile. Good. Awesome. And then when you're all done, you're gonna need your scissors and your glue so you can cut out the two letters, M and Y, and we're gonna glue them in order, okay? Let's see. Y, M. That's not right, is it? That doesn't say my. We need to switch them. You're right. It needs to say M, Y, because that spells my. You got it. My. I miss my friends. Very good. I'm so proud of you for working through these sheets. You're doing so amazing. Great work. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to finish up, and then you can continue on with me. All right, so we're gonna use some materials from the bag that I sent home, okay? So I want you to dig out your dice. I've got my dice here. See if you can find your dice. Okay. Do you have them? Are you looking for them? You can always pause the video if you need to so you can find your dice. What we're going to do with the dice today is we are going to shake the dice. Carefully, I don't want you to lose them or throw them around your house. Shake those dice, and then when you drop them, you're gonna see two numbers, okay? Mine came up like this. I have a 3, and I got a 5. You see that? 3 and a 5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and count them. Let me get something so I can help. Okay. I have a 3 and a 5. So to find out, we wanna do some addition, okay? Try to clear it up. So we're gonna see what 3 plus 5 is, okay? So to do that, we're gonna add all those dots together. Ready? 3 plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Very good. Let's do another one together. All right. I got 6 and I got 4. So what do you think 6 plus 4 is? Let's find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent work. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now, if you don't want to do addition, if you are tired of addition, you can shake one dice at a time. You can put one away and get one out. And you can shake it, drop it down, and see what number comes up. I got this one. Who knows how many this is? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. So every time you see the dots in the corners, that means 4. Every time you see a pattern like this, it means 4. So how about you do it again? Ready? Roll, and then look at it. Oh, I got this diagonal line. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. So every time I see that diagonal line, it's 3. Okay? So you can use 2 dice to practice your adding, or you can use 1 dice to practice just your counting. Okay? I want you to try doing that a couple times just for some fun. You can send me some pictures if you want to, but you do not have to. And I hope you have some fun with it, okay? Just fun to practice. Try not to lose your dice. When you're done with them, put them back in your bag, okay? And that's all that I have for everyone today. I hope you all had a wonderful day. You continue to have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will see you on Monday morning for another video. You can also keep an eye out for my storybook video that I will be posting today as well. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday morning. Bye, everybody. Thank you.